So hi friends, today we are going to see how to morph two images combined together. First, I will choose a lion image that looks like uh, scary teeth, and we have to fix this image in an apple. The both images will be given in the description to practice. First, I will select the tooth and also tongue and the full total mouth of the lion with the help of the quick selection tool, or otherwise you can also select this with the help of magnetic lasso tool. And then deselect the extra selections. With the help of move tool, drag that mouth to the place of apple. You leave a small amount of gap here because it has needed to be looks like the real one. For that, first thing you have to do was to duplicate the background. For that, you have to press Ctrl J. It will create a duplicate layer. Then go to edit and select puppet wrap. Then wrap the edges of the apple to the edges of the tooth. Be careful because it may lead to distract the image. So first put your base and drag the drag point. Then adjust the image as you like. Then press enter. Now we have to remove the extra parts that has given. For that, I will choose eraser tool. Then first copy image. We have to rub that gently, slowly. Then the background image, I will rub this too. Now it looks like a real thing. It looks like the apple got a mouth with the scary teeth and some of the tongue. That's all. If you like this video, subscribe now and share this to your friends. Don't forget to press the bell symbol. If you have any doubts, comment on the comment section.
Do you want to travel with us for many light years? Then subscribe now.